Pennsylvania extended season is winding down, and I got one last chance to shoot a deer. Watching everything. Tried a little bit on public land and didn't have any luck. Back here at the private land, in a couple days it's gonna be 11 degrees, which is a crazy temperature drop. On this old abandoned tree stand here on the private land. Now I'm gonna fix it up, bought a new seat for it. Let's see how hard it's gonna be. It's about 1:30 p.m. 1 week left of extended rifle season in my area here in Pennsylvania. I'm taking the crossbow too, in case we see a buck. Gonna be hunting first time in the climber. Got safety vest thing, so hopefully I should be fine if I fall. Oh, this is sketchy. Really sketchy. Two deer came running in as I was climbing up. They're still up there, like at 200 yards. Mer. Nice little update. I climb up in the tree stand, and literally, if I would have got 20 minutes in earlier, I would have killed the deer. Two does run right towards me. I'm like, okay, great. And then they run away because they saw me. So I decided to get down from the climber because the climber sucks. Massive 10-point buck walks out, and 3 does behind him. By the time I have a chance to even take out my rifle or my crossbow, they're all gone. The safety rope was stuck on my backpack, so I couldn't even move. So I was like basically shooting backwards. So unlucky right now to not have killed the deer. Well, I'm just gonna pray that another deer comes out. But if I don't kill a deer today, I 100% deserved it. Mer. 3 does coming from that side, go like this. And I was gonna wait, but it looked like they were going up the hill on the neighbor's properties. I shot the one to the left. I got it, I think I got it in the lungs, but it seemed like a good shot to me. I was like very high lungs, but it died. Oh, the deer I scared. I was not expecting to shoot anything today, but I guess the wind was perfect. Temperature is perfect, so let's go. We got a doe. finally got a good sized doe here, guys. Not a bad doe. It's big compared to the ones I've shot this year. I mean, it's not a monster, but it's a good sized doe compared to the last 3 I've shot. After shooting this doe, I wasn't done yet. I still had a doe tag and a buck tag to fill. I decided to let the spot that I just hunted rest, and I tried out a different spot. However, all I saw was a bunch of squirrels. I ended up actually spooking a deer right as I was walking out, but I couldn't do anything about it. The next morning, I decided to try out the spot that I hunted the previous time and that I got a doe, because I literally saw 13 deer, and I thought to myself, if I saw 13 deer, I'm definitely gonna kill something. Alright, I'm thinking the deer are gonna come from there, because that's where the wind is blowing, and usually they come up against the wind so they can smell everything. For some reason, I didn't see any deer, but then I quickly realized why. That evening, I saw a deer running for its life up the mountain, and then what do you know, there was a UTV chasing it. This is like the 3rd time I've run into UTVs while hunting. But they weren't done. They started doing NASCAR donuts for some reason. They're doing NASCAR burnouts or something. What in the world, dude? Alright guys, so I just got to the spot and I scared off 2 deer. They ran that way. And it's 12 o'clock, so I hope that's a good sign. I hope that means they're active. Unfortunately, last day of deer season, didn't see a single thing. Could be because of global warmings or because those people were doing NASCAR burnouts in their UTV. It was probably the second option. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to check out our other hunting and fishing videos, and I'll see you guys later.